By consuming locally produced millet, we contribute to our local economy, which will aid our people, health, and environment.
Commentary karab karyang kakong amprin lingdo haka apo platarik ulaber kalapin pawe kajing so comment banyo iya kajing wanya shimbenta kinong rap krai na kijaka ki bapher haka program Millet Mela kabla Pynlong hamadan malki shulong nadu ka apo platarik hadu ka apo kendai tarik ulaber ahaja alpulai kakong lingdo kalai kubleru yak United Nations kabla itho ya ukrai omtang ko umare ubadon shibun kijimentoy Henry ublas dang dojan
So with this program, we want to revive this very important crop, which I will tell you shortly. So how did this come about? The government of India had proposed to the United Nations for declaring that 2023 be the International Year of Millet. This was backed by 72 countries around the world, which compelled the United Nations General Assembly to declare this year, 2023, as the International Year of Millet on 5th of March, 2021. So this day, this year, was already planted 2 years ago. The main objective of this is to make people the center of the movement, to bring about millet in their household, to encourage farmers to take up millet farming, which is totally an eco-friendly crop that does not require irrigation facilities or external inputs and has a negligible carbon content.
I have come across some of the most delicious items of millet. Thanks to the United Nations for recognizing millet as not only a very nutritious crop, but a crop that is actually dying in its cultivation. I have been fortunate in the last 2 weeks and a half to understand that there are various areas across the state of Meghalaya where millet cultivation is also keenly integrated to culture. Amazing songs on millet, amazing dances on millet, which go on to prove that millet is a crop that is a value-based crop for the people of the state of Meghalaya. Build for ourselves a state which is healthy, a state which goes back to its roots, identify traditional plants like the millet, crop like the millet, and promote its generation. For this, we are grateful to our DC and the Food Safety Department that she heads, Madam Kurba, Rosette Kurba, who is indeed a person who leads by one's own knowledge.